Alright, we're back, but Chris shot himself in the head. Why the fuck's he still here? And
Chris.
There's no...
Oh, Chris.
blanks.
What the fuck?
That gun's
You've
blanks on
heard
it.
of blanks before.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I mean, really?
What? What? Fuck off, Emily. Something big just happened.
Oh my god.
That was fucking Josh.
Oh Jesus. Shit. Oh shit.
What the fuck? Everyone else saw that right as well when the killer took off his mask. What the fuck? I did not expect that. What the fuck am I doing right now? Doing some gymnastics here, guys. I'm gonna fucking whack myself off the fucking wall. Oh, gymnastics 101, guys. That ladder's also probably gonna break. Just pointing that out.
Shit.
Oh, fuck me. Probably gonna die, Emily. I'm so sorry. But at least Emily's still alive, and Josh is as well, so I actually haven't killed anyone. The fuck is this? You made one of them. Run. Oh my god, Emily, please just fucking run.
Oh god.
Do your Lara Croft shit and run! Or let something just fall on your fucking leg. I need to burp. I'm so sorry, I just burped there, I'm so sorry.
Oh god. Here goes $600. Better be worth.
I don't know what he said
But
there.
I look great in that top.
Wait, your top was 600.
All
What
right.
the fuck?
Now we're talking.
Okay, don't like those noises. I was just and like, I don't like those noises. Right, actually, I'm going to quickly stop the recording because I think someone just made me breakfast. I have no idea. Alright, so I'm back. Alright, let's do this. Gotta be strong. I let Steve out again. I don't feel so comfortable playing this, to be honest. No. So. Like, does anyone else hear those fucking noises? Oh, fuck. Oh, I didn't unlock the bonus content. Never fucking coming on. Bring this up a bit. I can't just want to turn down the sound effects or dialogue or some shit, so I don't actually have to fucking deal with hearing that shit. Like, what's a sec, right? Just listen to it. Okay, seriously, this fucking sounds creep me out so much. I'm like debating on taking my PlayStation 4 downstairs and just recording down there. What just went off? What the fuck, Twitter? Alright, apparently Twitter's like, happy Twitter anniversary. Okay. That's nice. Oh, it wasn't even for my account, that's the sad thing. It wasn't even for my account. So really confused there. It's like, well, that's where we're going off. What's that? Am I even going the right way? I still have to walk through up. I'm just more scared that something's gonna pop up. I mean, we still have Jessica as well that we have to play through in the mine. Yeah, we still have to play as Jessica. Oh, this fucking sounds. Because that's not going to attract attention with those fucking creepy noises. What the fuck is she walking like? She walks like what I like walk like in the fucking morning. Can I just say?
Shit! Okay. How do I get this thing on?
Do I have to go all the way out there? Fuck this shit. Fuck this. I want to take my PlayStation downstairs and just record down there where my parents are. And I will feel. I don't like those noises. I really don't. No, because I'm reading Watford. I know nothing's gonna come after me but the fucking noises. And I don't think my friend's even awake. So I can't fucking put her on Skype to play it with me. I don't know. I can. I really shouldn't be playing this game alone, but I am. Right, just gonna. I know I keep pausing. Everyone's probably gonna get real pissed off, right? So, Josh is the killer, right? Which means there's those noises in the mine. They aren't human. They are definitely not fucking human. Like, do you hear that? I don't know if you can hear them, but I can hear them very fucking clearly in my headphones, and they do not sound human and shit. So, possibly as well, like, depending on if we get all the characters out, they all reunite and then that's the game over, you know, it's just Josh. Or there is actually something deeper going on in this game, where it's not actually Josh as the killer that's actually doing the whole thing, you know. Because I was thinking back, right, to Jessica. I know I've paused this, everyone's probably gonna get pissed off at this, but yeah. So I can't fucking talk while I'm hearing those noises, so I'm real sorry. I was thinking back to Jessica, right, when she gets dragged out the window. I don't know if I already said this, but I was thinking back, you know. And when she gets dragged out the window, you notice the person who does it has very long nails. Now, the killer wears gloves. Well, Josh wears gloves as the killer. So, I don't know. And Josh doesn't really have long nails as well. Like, he's not fucking that long. So, it was possibly there's something else up on the mountain with us. And whatever it is could be down in the mines and be those inhuman fucking screams. Now, I have no clue. But yeah. I just really don't like those fucking noises. Can I climb up here? No, I can't. Ah! Jesus! I hate this game. I hate this game. I'm done with this. Fuck this shit. Fuck it. I can't. my fucking god. I want to actually curl up in a ball and cry. Why does this not tell you where the fuck the jump scares are? Oh my fucking god, no, I can't. I can't with this game right now. My brother's sleeping as well, so I probably just woke him up. So I'm sorry. But if you're up now, you know, you can come and murder me and watch me play, please. Cause I don't know, I want to be alone. I have Steve with me. He's not really helping. He's just chilling in my lap, so that's nice. My windows open up as well, so probably my whole neighborhood just fucking heard me scream, but oh my fucking god. Oh, I did not ask for this. Did not ask for this shit. Did not ask for it. Alright, let's do this.